Hello friends, myself Harshada Sanjay Devkate from Delonic Society's Baramati College of Pharmacy, Baranpur, Baramati, presenting this topic under the guidance of Mr. Sri Krishna Bhaukar sir. So now let's start with our presentation. Saturated calomel electrode SCE from potentiometric titration. This slide contains of introduction, reference electrode, diagram of calomel, construction and working of calomel electrode, advantages and its disadvantages. So now talks about introduction of calomel electrode. First one is the definition. What does calomel electrode mean? You know why it is called as a calomel? Because the word calomel means mercurous chloride, that is Hg2Cl2 and mercury Hg. So it is called as a calomel. A calomel electrode is a type of reference electrode that is based on reaction between mercury chloride, that is Hg2Cl2 and elemental mercury, that is Hg. Means calomel electrode हा reference electrode चा type आहे and is depend on the reaction between mercury chloride and elemental mercury. These electrodes are commonly used in voltmeters and pH meters to measure the electrical potential. The electrode potential of the calomel electrode is plus 0.2422 volts. Next, the accurate, precise and effective potentiometric measurements are evidently made with the aid of following two types of electrode, namely, first one is the standard hydrogen electrode, second one is the saturated calomel electrode SCE, and third one is the silver chloride electrode. Indicator electrodes, metal indicator electrode and membrane indicator electrode. These various kinds of electrodes will be discussed briefly along with the diagrammatic representation whenever possible in the section that follows. Reference electrode. In general, reference electrode exhibit a potential which is absolutely independent of the solution in which it is used. Means reference electrode has a stable and exactly known potential. Besides, it must not display any significant change even when a small quantum of current is passed through it. Saturated calomel electrode SCE. Construction. The term saturated is used because the saturated potassium chloride is filled in this solution, and when potassium chloride solution is saturated, the electrode is known as saturated calomel electrode SCE. सॅच्युरेटेड टर्म ही यूज केली जाते कारण सॅच्युरेटेड पोटॅशियम क्लोराईड KCl यामध्ये फिल केलेले असते आणि कॅलोमेल मीन्स मर्क्युरस क्लोराईड Hg2Cl2 अँड मर्क्युरी Hg यांचे मिक्सचर म्हणजे कॅलोमेल. सो नाव लेट्स सी द कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कॅलोमेल इलेक्ट्रोड. Construction. The different parts of saturated calomel electrode are as follow. A represent porous ceramic fiber which is at the bottom of glass tube. B represent small hole which is present at the bottom of inner tube. C is the slurry of Hg, that is elemental mercury HgCl, and saturated potassium chloride, that is KCl. D represent potassium chloride KCl solution. Means the remaining portion of a glass tube is filled with saturated solution of KCl. म्हणजे जो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन आहे ग्लास ट्यूबचा तो सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन ऑफ KCl ने फिल केलेला असतो. E represent fill hole, means in this point KCl, that is potassium chloride solution, is introduced into the glass tube. F represent electrical lead which is platinum wire. The calomel electrode structure consists of an outer glass tube that is fitted with frit at the bottom. These permit electrical contact with a solution outside the electrode. The inner tube is placed inside the outer tube. Outer tube च्या आतमध्ये inner tube place केलेले असते. The bottoms of the inner tube has a glass spool which is also represented as symbol B at the bottom to provide for electrical contact between the contents of both tubes. Mercury paste is packed on the innermost tube with mercurous chloride being dispersed in a saturated potassium chloride solution. This thick paste of mercurous chloride Ag2Cl2 and Hg mercury is placed above the solution which is covers surface area of mercury. So next, working. A platinum wire is immersed in a slurry made up of pure mercury, that is Hg, solid mercurous chloride, that is HgCl, and commonly known as calomel, and the aqueous saturated solution of KCl packed in inner tube C having a small hole B. प्लॅटिनियम वायर ही थिक पेस्ट ऑफ मर्क्युरस क्लोराईड अँड मर्क्युरी यामध्ये डीप केली जाते आणि सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन ऑफ पोटॅशियम क्लोराईड हे इनर ट्यूबमध्ये पॅक केले जाते. द आउटर ट्यूब कंटेन्स अ सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन ऑफ potassium chloride which is represented as T having a porous ceramic fiber A at the lower end. It serves as a salt bridge which allows the entire setup immersed directly into the solution to be measured. The porous ceramic fiber permits establishment of electrical contact between one side of the salt bridge and the solution under the examination and serves as a barrier between the said two solution. म्हणजेच पोरस सेरेमिक फायबर सॉल्ट ब्रिजच्या एका बाजूस इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्टॅक्ट प्रोव्हाइड करते अँड इट सर्व्स ॲज अ बॅरियर बिटवीन धीस टू सोल्युशन. द स्मॉल opening at the top end of the salt bridge tube serves as a fill hole E through which either KCl solution may be filled or replaced as when required. The half cell of SCE may be expressed as Hg, that is mercury, Hg2Cl2, mercury chloride and KCl saturated potassium chloride, for which the half cell reaction is Hg2Cl2 plus gain of 2 electron which give 2Hg plus 2Cl minus. According to Nernst equation, the potential of electrode is represented. Advantages: its electrode potential is constant and easily reproducible, easy to construct and maintain the cell. No separate salt bridge is required as it has already a side tube containing KCl solution. सेपरेट सॉल्ट ब्रिज असणे आवश्यक नाही कारण त्याच्याकडे आधीपासूनच पोटॅशियम क्लोराईड सोल्युशन असलेली साइड ट्यूब असते. सो नो सेपरेट सॉल्ट ब्रिज इज रिक्वायर्ड. So next, disadvantages. Why calomel electrode cannot be used above 70 degrees Celsius? Because in calomel electrode, mercurous chloride is used and this mercurous chloride start decomposition above 70 degrees Celsius. Hence, calomel electrode cannot be used above 70 degrees Celsius. Hence, not use above 70 degrees Celsius as HgCl2 start decomposition. Involves of handling of poison Hg and Hg2Cl2. Credits. Special thanks to all people who made and released these awesome resources for free, and especially thanks to Professor Sri Krishna Bhavkar sir for guiding me very well. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Any question you can ask on